The sweet science. Some people think boxing is simple. It is anything but. This fighter has certainly mastered it. Our tale of the tape for this welterweight fight. 3 years apart with the same height and reach. All right, now for the official introductions.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC welterweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a boxer, making his professional debut here tonight. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall,
Piston Hondo.
65 pounds. Fighting out of Tokyo, Japan, Haymaker. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a boxer.
Piston Hurricane.
Debut here tonight. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 164 pounds. Fighting out of Havana, Cuba, Hurricane.
Let's go.
After the action begins, our referee in charge, Keith.
Herb Dean, our referee for this one.
Dang it.
All right, so here we go as round one gets underway. Two world-class level strikers here. And the expectation
Oh, he
is
ran.
kickboxing.
Piston Hondo ran. Did you see that, guys?
One guy is very good at kicks. The
I
other
need
guy
to set
has
his
wonderful
time.
hands. Let's see what
Come
type
on.
of attack is going to win the battle of two great stand-up fighters.
Well, perhaps the sign
Ah.
of things to come as he lands
Yeah.
right there.
You see? You see? Really clever.
Oh, and there's another leg kick.
Yes, Lee.
So doing a really good job with that weapon here tonight. And if you're trying to slow your opponent down, mission accomplished so far.
When you can land that many leg kicks, you start to affect the
Hey.
you start to affect the hands. Everything changes when you're blasting someone over and over leg kicks. You start to see the damage.
Did
Not
I just
only
do
in
that?
legs, but in the facial expression of his opponent. Big, powerful
Hey.
punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Ouch!
And trying to shut
Do the whole time. Let me do the whole time.
affect his ability to stand, but he can't really set down on his punches. He won't generate the power that he normally generates because he can't really get heavy on his leg.
No, get back up.
Back to the feet now. Unbelievable.
Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh.
Look at him drive the shin into the opponent's body with that power. He's hurt bad, John. He's out of pressure. He's not going to chase that finish on you. Boom! Big jab. Oh, nice.
Well, he is at his kickboxing best tonight. Another nice, good series of kicks by him there.
I mean, the kicks are coming in one. Normally,
Hey, stop.